Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to take a look at a system called GetFreeOS. GetFreeOS is a free and open source Linux operating system based on Arch operating system for the x86-64 architecture and a choice of XFCE, i3WM, and KDE Plasma as the desktop environment for best gaming experience. The installer is Calamares. So yes, it rolling release model. I guess whoever wrote this is not, well, I'm just going to leave it alone. So yes, it rolling release model with new package updates. The developers of GetFreeOS was intended exclusively for use on gaming personal computers. All right, so right here on About Us, it tells us that it uses the Calamares installer, which I've already installed it. You see me install with Calamares plenty of times, so that's already done. And the download link is right here. So, like I said, I already downloaded it, I already installed it, and I did use, for the purpose of this video, the XFCE version. But they also have the i3 and KDE Plasma. All right, so I got it up in a virtual machine. Let's head on over there and take a look at GetFreeOS. All right, we're here on the virtual machine right now, and GetFreeOS is booted up. So let me go ahead and fix the display manager and get a proper 1080p layout going. So I'll go to settings and let me find display. It's right there. Let me switch this to 1920 by 1080. Click on apply. Keep this configuration, and we are done. All right, as I just read earlier, this is GetFreeOS. It's an Arch-based system. It's catered to gamers. So if you're a gamer, this would be something you'll be looking for. And it is using the XFCE desktop environment. So in this case, we have the panel on the bottom, system tray on the right, and your application launcher right here on the left. So in the application launcher, we have favorites, recently used, all applications, accessories, development, education, games, graphics, internet, multimedia, office, science, settings, and system. Then you have your power options down here. You have a search bar and your name right here on the top. So as we read, this is more catered to games. So let's see what the game sections has for us. So we have it here, something called DOSBox, and emulator with built-in DOS for running DOS games. Then under that, we got Goverlay graphical UI to help manage Vulkan OpenGL overlays. Then under that, we got Lutris video game preservation platform. And below that, we have Steam Tinker Launch settings menu. So I have not heard of Steam Tinker Launch. I've heard of Lutris, and I think I've heard of DOSBox, but I haven't heard of the rest of them. So let's go through them one by one, see what they do. Like I said, I'm not a gamer, so I don't really game. So if anything requires login or anything like that, I can't do nothing about it. So this is DOSBox. Okay, welcome to DOSBox version 0.74-3. For a short introduction for new users, type intro. For supported shell commands, type help. To adjust the emulated CPU speed, use Control-F11 and Control F12. To activate the key mapper, Control F1. For more information, read the README file in the DOSBox directory. Have fun. The DOSBox team. So let's do an intro first. Okay, welcome to DOSBox, an 86 emulator with sound and graphics. DOSBox creates a shell for you which looks like old plain DOS. For more information about basic mount type, intro mount. For more information about CD-ROM. So I guess I gotta have these ROMs either downloaded or things like that. But there is a website right here. For more information about DOSBox, go to this website right here. DOSBox will stop exit without a warning if an error occurred. All right, so I guess you got to have ROMs downloaded, and I guess you specify where your ROMs are located at, and then it'll open up your ROMs. I am assuming this, of course. This is not fact. All right, now let's get back to games. And we have Go Overlay. So got a button right here that says Visual, Performance, Metrics, and Extras. So right here on the visual, I'm not sure, I guess it's giving you some orientation options, some border options, background, fonts, position, columns, and toggle key. All right, and then under performance, you got like show FPS, display FPS limit, frame time, count frames, Vulkan, OpenGL. So there's a few options right here. Then metrics, you got your metrics options for GPU, CPU, memory. And then you got extras, system information, login, things like that. And there is an about right here, so let's take a look at the about. Goverlay. Goverlay is an open source project that aims to create a graphical UI to help manage Linux overlays. This project is only possible due to the hard work of other people that did the really heavy lighting. I am just a network engineer that really likes Linux and gaming. And we got a special thanks to Fightless Mango. He is the man and the mind behind Mango HUD. Dad Skours, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The man and the mind behind VK Basalt. Jason Evangelo from Linux for Everyone for helping with the name and making me fall in love with Linux again. Also Valve for making Linux an awesome gaming platform. And you got some links right here. So I know who Jason Evangelo is. I don't know who the rest are, but I do know who he is. All right. So this is Goverlay. Close that down. Get back over here. Go back to games. Then we have Lutris. And this is Lutris right here. Welcome to Lutris. Play all your games in Linux. And it's doing something right here. I don't know exactly what it's doing, but it's doing something. So I guess it's updating. It's updating all kind of things right here. So right here you got a library. You got games, recent, favorites. Then you got sources. You got Lutris, GOG, Epic Game Store, EA App, and Ubisoft Connect. And then you got runners, Linux, and Wine. All right, should be an about on here. And there is about Lutris 0.5.16, video game preservation platform. All right, so under Lutris, let's click on that. It says no games found. So GOG, it's going to say it's the same for all of them because I don't have any games on here. But this is Lutris. For those of you that know how to use Lutris, it's on here. All right, get back to games. Steam Tinker Launch. So let's see what this is now. Not sure if it's, oh, there we go. All right, so Steam Tinker Launch, main menu. Okay, so no title found for 31337. Okay, then you got a lot of buttons right here. So you can download custom Proton, download custom wine, recreate wine prefix, wine debug channel, wine tricks, add non-Steam game, Steam first, run setup, one-time run, DX, VK, HUD options, shader repos, game shaders, set favorites, high category, category sort order, help URL, game scope, vortex, mod organizer tool, a wiki, and game files. And you also got some buttons right here like exit, category, game menu, default, global, favorites, editor, and play. And this is your Steam Tinker. Let's see. All right. Go ahead and close that. All right. So let you know what you close and create icon. All right. So pretty straightforward. Like I said, this is the XFCE desktop environment. So you got your standards that'll come with pretty much any XFCE. You got your GIMP and your Ristretto image viewers. You got your Firefox browsers. You even got LibreWolf and you got Brave. So this comes with 3 browsers. That's pretty nice. And you got your multimedia. You got Parole Media Player, Pulse Audio, Volume Control, QT Test, QT Video Capture, VOC, Volume Icon, XF Burn. Then you got your LibreOffice suite. You got a dictionary. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Has everything that you would find on XFCE and some extras. So it got good audio video tools. graphic tools, office tools. So it got everything you need. So anything you need for your system is on here. Plus these options for games. So for you gamers, you got a system right here for you. All right, so I wanted to take a look at GetFreeOS, see what it was about, and it's pretty cool. I don't see no issues here. There were no issues. Installation went flawless. Everything was flawless. So if it's something you're looking for, I'll have the links down in the video description. All right, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I'm out.